Hey everyone, it's been a while since the last update, so I wanted to showcase what I've been working on. I've been working on Castlesage with a friend in our free time, and we're excited to finally share some of the progress, so let's jump in. So, what is this game about? Castlesage is an online action strategy arena game inspired by MOBAs and community-based servers. Two teams fight in a medieval voxel arena, leveling up, gathering resources, and defending their base, with the objective of destroying the enemy totem, a magic crystal that keeps your team alive. You can choose one of 4 classes, and each one defines your role in a match. Combatants hand the front line, defeating monsters, enemy players, and bosses. Gatherers, on the other hand, keep the team supplied with materials and magical resources. Builders reshape the battlefield with towers, traps, siege weapons, and more. Support helps allies in danger, or creates trouble for their enemies by creating distractions or ambushes. Now, despite sounding like a lot, the game is meant to be easy to pick up and hard to master. The next part is what brings the real depth to the game. Just like in traditional MOBAs, you gain experience by defeating monsters, capturing objectives, and helping your teammates. Nothing innovative here, but that's where it gets interesting. Once you reach a certain level, the totem offers you 2 paths. You can evolve, choosing a random subclass with unique abilities and a new weapon, or you can skip evolution and spend your gold on powerful items that boost your class, while also making your current weapon stronger. This happens multiple times per match, letting you mix and match previous masteries and create different builds each game. The map changes every match, even if by small details. Resources like trees and ores spawn in different places, and some obstacles shift around. Monsters appear throughout the arena and scale with the match's progression, eventually reaching endgame difficulty. But if you still need better loot, you can also dive into the underground, where the rewards are higher, but so are the risks. Your objectives in a match are very simple: expand your base, build towers for map control, defeat monsters nearby to grow stronger, then break into the enemy castle and destroy their totem. Easy to say, not so easy depending on your teammates. Castlesage uses a voxel style inspired by Trove and Cube World, but with its own personality. The characters are shaped similarly to those from Happy Wars, with comically large weapons and small bodies, so you can expect some expressive animations mixed with a touch of dark humor. We're still defining the audio style, but the plan is simple: clear and informative sound effects, with a hint of retro games without destroying your ears. The music will adapt to the flow of the match, making exploration calm and team fights much more intense. Castlesage follows an old-school server-list approach. This means no matchmaking, no battle passes, or cosmetic shops. You can join public servers, community servers, or just play with friends and bots. Even offline, matches should still feel fun thanks to bot support. A small co-op campaign is also planned, letting up to 4 players explore a sequence of maps together, while learning the lore behind the world of Castlesage. Right now, we're still early in development, but things are slowly taking shape. This is the most complicated part, but we're slowly pushing towards it. Castlesage is a game that's being written as a mod from day one, so in the full release version, you'll be able to create your own maps, characters, weapons, and more. We plan to release the game in 2 versions. The demo version will contain the base game. You can play campaign, online, and offline, so you can try everything and see if the game's for you, while the Steam version adds mod support and Steam features. Buying it helps support the game's development. Even so, the source code will stay open. Since Godot is easy to decompile, keeping the project open source is the safest and most transparent approach. We don't want anyone downloading an infected Castlesage.exe from somewhere else. The good news is that the main menu and basic server systems are implemented, and we're currently working on a gear system, making sure that weapons can be loaded into the game and behave the way they should, just like characters. At the same time, we're refining the game's core concepts and working on the art direction, so everything stays consistent as the project grows. We're still far from an alpha build, but we're moving at a steady pace. The goal is to reach a point where we can open the game up to the public and gather proper feedback, with a solid foundation already in place. And that wraps up the first look at Castlesage. As development continues, I'll keep you guys updated once we have more features ready to show. If you're interested in following the game's progress, don't forget to like and subscribe for more devlogs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.